Have you ever stopped to feel the gentle breeze that brushes your face in a moment of silence? What if I told you that, in that very instant, an invisible force is calling your name? An energy that transcends time and space, eagerly waiting for your attention. What would you do if you knew that God is calling your name? This is the question that echoes in your soul, like a whisper that cannot be ignored. Spiritual signs manifest in subtle yet powerful ways. Sometimes, they come as numbers that appear repeatedly, a song that plays at just the right moment, or a sense of peace that envelopes your being. The angels, beings of light, are always around you, ready to guide you through these signs. They want you to realize that you are being guided, that life has a greater purpose. Each small sign is a divine message, a reminder that you are not alone. Yet, these signs are often overshadowed by the clouds of doubt and fear. You find yourself lost in a sea of uncertainties. Life feels like a maze, and every path you choose leads you to a new dilemma. Old fears rise like shadows, blocking your vision of the future. The fear of failure, of not being enough, of losing what you love. These thoughts weigh down like anchors, preventing you from moving forward. You ask yourself, am I making the right choice? Or what if I regret this? These questions paralyze you. But what if I told you that the answer you seek is closer than you think? What if the angels are not just trying to show you that this divine force misses you, but that this is your last chance to act before it's too late? The calling you feel is not just a distant echo. It's an invitation to transformation, an opportunity to reconnect with your essence. It's time to leave fear behind and embrace the light that shines within you. Now, the choice is yours. Love doesn't wait. Life doesn't wait. You are faced with a pivotal moment. Look within yourself and ask, will you act now or spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? The call is echoing. Listen to it. Answer it. And allow the transformation to begin. Have you ever stopped to think that the universe is always communicating with you? Amid the chaos of everyday life, there is a subtle dance of signs, a whisper that echoes in your heart. Can you feel it? It's like a gentle breeze touching your skin, a symphony of light unfolding in small details. The angels are here, always by your side, ready to guide your steps and illuminate your path. The signs from the angels are not always grand and dramatic. Sometimes they manifest in moments of stillness, in a thought that arises out of nowhere, or in a synchronicity that feels magical. A repeating number, a song that plays at just the right moment, a familiar scent that brings back memories. These experiences are invitations for you to awaken your intuition and connect with the wisdom that resides within you. They reveal hidden truths, pieces of a divine tapestry woven into your journey. But what if, behind this enchantment, there are fears holding you back? You might feel lost, as if you're in a maze with no exit, surrounded by doubts and insecurities. What happens if you can't hear the whispers of the angels? What if life continues to pass by while you are paralyzed by the fear of the unknown? This is the battle many face. And this is where the transformation begins. Imagine for a moment that the presence of angels is not just a protection or a reminder, but a powerful call. What if, at this very moment, the message you need to hear is that the change you seek is within your grasp? What would be revealed if you decided to believe that the signs are a call to action? How would your life change if you set aside uncertainties and embraced the courage to act? Now, take a deep breath and feel the weight of your doubts beginning to lift. Love and light are waiting for you. The big question is, will you allow this light to enter your life? Will you heed the call and allow yourself to be guided? Love doesn't wait for anyone. It's here right now. The choice is yours. Will you take action or get lost in the questions of what could have been? Transformation begins with a simple step toward your truth. Are you ready to take that step? Have you ever found yourself in a moment of profound silence, where everything around you seems to pause? That instant where the whisper of the universe becomes audible, and you ask yourself, what do I truly desire? It is in this sacred space that the angels draw near, enveloping you with their light. They are always present, ready to guide you through the emotional storms that may obscure your spiritual vision. Angel signs manifest in subtle yet powerful ways. A song playing at just the right moment, a butterfly passing by, or even a series of repeating numbers. Each sign is a message, a reminder that you are not alone. The angels are here, ready to help, but you need to be willing to listen. Connecting with them can illuminate the darkest corners of your soul, revealing truths you may be afraid to confront. But what happens when doubt sets in? When fears become shadows that obscure your path? You may feel paralyzed, trapped in a cycle of uncertainty. Insecurity may whisper that you are unworthy of love or that your aspirations are merely impossible dreams. Each day, doubts can accumulate, forming an invisible barrier between you and the life you wish to live. What if I told you that these fears are actually invitations? Invitations for you to delve deeper into yourself, to confront the shadows that keep you imprisoned. The angels are not just trying to show you that you have the power to overcome these doubts. They are demonstrating that this is a critical moment. An opportunity for transformation that can change the course of your life. What becomes clear is that fear, when recognized and embraced, can be a catalyst for spiritual growth. Now, I invite you to reflect. Love does not wait. Are you willing to face your shadows? To make a decision that could free you from the chains that bind you? The true power is in your hands. You can continue to live in doubt or choose the courage to act. The big question is, will you allow yourself to embrace this transformation now, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what if? The choice is yours, and the angels are ready to support you every step of the way on this journey. Have you ever paused to hear the gentle whisper coming from your heart? Amid the chaos of daily life, in a moment of silence, a question echoes, what are you really here to do? Perhaps you've felt this before, an ethereal presence that seems to guide you but that you cannot see. The angels, those beings of light, are always around you, waiting for you to acknowledge them, waiting for you to see the signs that are everywhere. Spiritual signs can manifest in various forms, a feather falling from the sky, a recurring number appearing in your life, or even a vivid dream that wakes you up with a sense of clarity. Each of these moments is a message, a direct connection to the divine. They are here to remind you that you are not alone, that there is a greater purpose in your life, something that goes beyond what you imagine. However, in the midst of this search for answers, you might feel lost. Fears, doubts, and insecurities can cloud your vision. You may ask yourself, what if I'm not enough? Or, what if what I desire never comes to be? These thoughts can feel like chains, holding you in a place of uncertainty and preventing you from moving forward. The fear of failure can be paralyzing, and you may feel like time is running out to find your true calling. What if I told you that the true revelation about your divine purpose is right before you? What if the angels are not just trying to show you that your life has meaning, but that the key to unlocking that potential is already within you? They are waiting for you to look inside, to recognize the strength that resides in your essence. Transformation begins when you decide that you are ready to listen, to act, and to free yourself from the ties that bind you. Now, the decision is in your hands. The love and light you seek are not in a distant future, but here and now. Are you ready to take the next step? To look within and discover who you truly are? Life is too short to wonder what if. The call is clear. Will you answer now, or will you continue to live in the shadow of doubt? The choice is yours, and transformation starts at this very moment. Have you ever stopped to listen to the soft whisper of the universe, like a distant call resonating in the depths of your soul? Amidst the chaos of everyday life, there is a voice calling out to you. It is sweet and firm, filled with love and hope. It's the presence of angels, who watch over us and guide us, always ready to show us the way. The signs are all around us, sometimes subtle, other times explosive. A feather falling from the sky, a repeated number, a vivid dream. These are reminders that we are not alone. The angels communicate through these little miracles, revealing deep truths and guiding us toward our greater purpose. They want you to know, you are loved, you are important, and your journey has meaning. But amid this light, dark clouds can appear. Doubts, fears, and insecurities can cloud your vision. You may feel lost, questioning whether you truly deserve happiness. What if I fail again? What if this isn't what I really want? These thoughts can create barriers, making you hesitate in front of what you truly desire. The weight of these uncertainties can be overwhelming, but it is in this moment of conflict that transformation begins. Imagine that the angels are surrounding you, eagerly waiting for a sign from you. What if I told you that the doubt you carry is, in fact, an invitation? An invitation to look deeper within yourself. What if your hesitation were the key that opens the door to a new reality? The angels are not just here to comfort you, but to ignite your courage. They offer a new perspective. Your life can change now, if only you let it. Now, I challenge you. Take a deep breath and look within. What do you truly desire? The love you yearn for, the peace you seek, the life you deserve. All of this is within your reach, but it depends on a choice. Will you allow fear to continue ruling your life, or will you respond to the divine call that echoes in your heart? The decision is yours, and the time is now. Don't let uncertainty rob you of your opportunities. Love waits for no one, and every moment that passes is one less chance to live the life you deserve. What are you going to do with this choice? Have you ever stopped to think about the power of the words whispered by the universe? In moments of solitude or doubt, when everything seems dark, a soft voice may emerge, like a thread of light, guiding your steps. Do you feel it? It's as if something greater than us is trying to reach out to us. The question is, are you listening? Spiritual signs are all around us, manifesting through synchronicities, repeated numbers, or even an inexplicable feeling of peace amid chaos. Angels communicate in ways that defy logic, revealing hidden truths in moments of despair. They whisper that you are not alone, that there is a greater purpose. Have you ever wondered what these messages truly mean for you? Yet, even in the face of so much light, the shadows of fear and doubt can settle in. You may feel trapped in an endless cycle of uncertainties, questioning whether you are worthy of love, of happiness, of real transformation. The voices of insecurity may seem louder than those of the angels. What if all of this is just a dream? What if you are incapable of change? But what if I told you that true transformation begins within you? That the voice you hear, even if it's just a whisper, is the key to the change you seek? Imagine that every word, every sign, is an invitation for you to open your heart and allow yourself to be guided. The angels are here, not just to comfort you, but to propel you into action. This is your opportunity to break free from the chains of fear and embrace the life you deserve. Now, ask yourself, are you ready to listen? Love doesn't wait. Time doesn't stop. The decision is in your hands. You can choose to remain in the shadows or take a brave step toward the light that has always been within your reach. What will you choose? The transformation starts now, and all you need to do is take the first step. The call is yours. Will you hear it? Have you ever stopped to listen to the gentle whisper of your heart? Amid the chaos of daily life, there is a call echoing in your soul, an invitation to deep transformation. Picture yourself in a peaceful grove, sunlight filtering through the leaves, with a comforting presence by your side. It's as if the angels are there, waiting for you, ready to guide you on your journey. Spiritual signs are all around us, just waiting for us to have the courage to recognize them. A repeated number, a song that plays at unexpected times, or even a vivid dream. Each of these small wonders is a message from the angels, revealing that you are not alone. They are here to remind you of your true potential, of your divine essence. What are these messages trying to tell you? What have you been ignoring in your life? But life isn't always easy. Fears and doubts can pile up like dark clouds, obscuring the light you know exists within you. You might be wondering, what if I fail? What if it's not the right time? These questions echo in your mind, creating barriers that feel insurmountable. What you don't realize is that the true blockage lies in your hesitation to take the first step. What if I told you that this hesitation could be the key to your liberation? Imagine that the angels, with their radiant light, are here to offer you a new perspective. They aren't just trying to show you that you have their support, they are indicating that your journey begins now. What if you set aside your fear and allowed yourself to feel the courage that has always been within you? The change you seek isn't far away, it's within your reach, waiting for you to embrace it. Now, I challenge you. Look within and ask yourself, what is my first step? This question might seem simple, but the answer could change your life. Love and fulfillment wait for no one. You can permit yourself to take a step, even if it's small, toward the life you desire. Don't wait for tomorrow to do what your heart urges you to do today. What could be if you allowed yourself to live fully? It's time to take action, to break free from the chains that bind you, and embrace the light that the angels have to offer. This is your moment. The call is being made. Will you respond?